Foreign portfolio investors invested 22,766 crore rupees in Indian equities in the first 2 weeks of December. This marks a strong comeback after previous outflows, indicating renewed confidence in the Indian market. The surge is attributed to expectations of a potential US Federal Reserve rate cut. Blackstone and Punchhill Realty-backed Ventive Hospitality announced plans to launch its Rs 1,600 crore IPO on 20th December. The company will use 1,400 crore rupees of the proceeds to repay debt. This IPO is expected to attract considerable investor interest given the backing of major players. Top Indian IT firms saw a major decline in H-1B visa approvals, falling to less than half of 2015 levels in FY24. This trend could significantly impact the IT sector's global operations and talent deployment strategies. The decline may force Indian IT companies to reconsider their hiring strategies in the United States. Chip supplier Broadcom Inc.'s stock rose 24% to $224.80 in New York, marking its biggest one-day share price rally since August 2009. This surge is likely to have ripple effects across the tech supply chain. The rally could signal positive sentiment in the semiconductor industry. Swiggy launched Invite One Black, a premium membership offering exclusive benefits for food delivery and other services. This move aims to enhance customer loyalty and increase revenue from high-value customers. The Invite nature creates an air of exclusivity, potentially driving demand among regular Swiggy users. Quick commerce startup FirstClub raised $8 million in funding, targeting 10% of Indian consumers. This investment reflects growing interest in the quick commerce sector in India. FirstClub's expansion plans could potentially disrupt the existing e-commerce landscape. A report revealed that private sector profits grew 4 times in the last 4 years, while salaries remain stagnant. This growing disparity raises concerns about income inequality and fair wage practices. The findings could lead to calls for policy interventions to ensure more equitable distribution of corporate success. MobiKwik's IPO was fully subscribed within an hour of launch, indicating strong investor interest in the fintech sector. This rapid subscription reflects the growing appetite for digital payment and financial technology stocks in India. The success could pave the way for more fintech listings in the country. The Asian Development Bank approved a $350 million loan to bolster India's logistics sector. This investment aims to improve infrastructure and efficiency in logistics, a critical component of economic growth. The loan could significantly impact India's supply chain capabilities and trade efficiency. India narrowed China's lead in 5G phone conversion over the past 12 months. This trend indicates rapid adoption of 5G technology in India's mobile market. The narrowing gap could have implications for telecom infrastructure and digital services development. Concord Enviro Systems announced plans to float its IPO on 19th December, with a fresh issue size of 175 crore rupees. The company specializes in water and wastewater management solutions. This IPO could provide insights into investor appetite for companies in the environmental services sector. Google claimed its newest quantum chip can solve problems 1 billion times faster than classical computers. This breakthrough could have far-reaching implications across various industries, from cryptography to drug discovery. If verified, it could mark a major milestone in the race for quantum supremacy. Dezerv reported significant growth in total assets under management comprising AIF, PMS, and distribution assets. This growth reflects increasing demand for professional wealth management services in India. Dezerv's success could indicate a shift in how Indian investors approach wealth management. Servotech Power Systems announced plans to set up 100% solar power-based EV charging infrastructure for micromobility. This initiative aligns with India's push towards sustainable transportation and renewable energy adoption. The focus on solar power charging stations could contribute to reducing the carbon footprint of EV usage. Chicago-based Mondelez made a preliminary approach for a possible combination with an undisclosed company. This move suggests Mondelez's interest in expanding its portfolio or market presence. The potential acquisition could have significant implications for the global snack food industry. CAPRI Global Holdings bought a 1.65% stake in Creative Graphic Solutions India. This acquisition might provide CAPRI with new capabilities or market access in the graphic solutions sector. The stake purchase could lead to further collaborations or investments in related industries. The government issued guidelines for companies bidding for green hydrogen production. These guidelines are expected to attract investments and promote innovation in clean energy technologies. The move aligns with India's commitment to reducing carbon emissions and transitioning to sustainable energy sources. Sachin Bansal-led Navi saw month-on-month decline in the number of transactions for the first time since April. This unexpected dip could indicate challenges in the fintech sector or specific issues facing the company. The decline may prompt Navi to reassess its strategies to boost transaction volumes.